Yoda, the cat with 4 ears, Chicago, Illinois. Couple Valeries and Ted Rock took the cat in 2 years ago after they visited a local bar where a group of drinkers were handing the animal around and making fun of him. Since being adopted by the Crocs and after getting his picture posted on the internet, the 2-year-old feline has become an international media celebrity. The Rocks have received calls from Good Morning America, Fox News, and the Tara Banks Show. The monkey mascot has graced the pages of the London Guardian and British tabloids. Despite his changed appearance, Yoda, named after the bounty Star Wars character, is a perfectly normal and affectionate cat and a delight to have around. His extra ear are thought to be the result of a genetic mutation, but Yoda owners are keeping too close watch on their most loved pet. They are concerned he could be kidnapped because he is so different.